Welcome to Bear Creek Estates. Today we're at 6570 3rd Avenue South in St. Petersburg. Come on inside and check out what makes this property so unique with some offerings that are tough to find in St. Pete. Just above 1,300 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 1-bath features updated windows with beautiful plantation shutters. Solid core doors with crown molding throughout, plus 2 spacious living areas. In the kitchen, you will find it is very well equipped for all of your cooking needs. From the high-end built-in oven to the pantry, you will not be disappointed. Off the kitchen, you will find a storage bonus space that is also home to the laundry room. Step outside into your backyard oasis. Featuring a large pool with tons of outdoor space that's perfect for entertaining. This is the perfect place to get together with friends and family over the weekend. The oversized double lot is also set up for RV and boat storage. The crisp white vinyl fence features double gates and is ready to store all of your toys. Located directly off the Pinellas Trail, so don't forget your bike. Not to mention, we're minutes from the beach and from downtown St. Pete. Did I mention there's even a basketball court? If you're looking to live the Florida dream, then this is the home for you.